I love these herb marinated grilled chicken kebabs for so many reasons. First of all, they're easy to make, they're colorful, you get to cook outside on the grill. But the main reason I love them is because you can make the kebabs, assemble the kebabs to whatever taste you like. If you want to do all chicken, you can. You could even make some kebabs that were all veggie. But maybe you noticed in the image that one of the kebabs had red onion. Well, we all know by now that onion is high FODMAP, but maybe you're cooking for a crowd and some of the people that are attending your party can eat onion. Give them onion. You can make sure that your kebab just has the low FODMAP ingredients. The dressing has garlic, olive oil, Dijon mustard, tons of fresh herbs. It's delicious. It's pretty. You're going to love this grilled kebab recipe.